I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to keep track of your transactions on PNC online banking, checking your transaction log is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the PNC online banking website and enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your account summary. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the transaction log. This could be your checking or savings account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, find the transaction history or view transactions option. Click on it to open the log. Step 5. Review your transactions. You can now scroll through your transaction log. Use filters if needed to narrow down the date range or transaction type. Just a heads up, if you don't see recent transactions, make sure you've selected the correct date range. Sometimes it defaults to a previous month. I hope this helps you easily keep track of your finances. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.